Every once a year when Christmas comes, I pack my sled with dolls and drums, and I'm on my way with happiness for little girls and boys. Oh, there isn't any place too far. I go wherever children are, always on my way with happiness wrapped up in fancy toys. On my Christmas list I've many names and places,
though we've never seen their faces, we know which one and the good they've done.
Over hill and dale again this year, I brought glad tidings and a good cheer. So until another Christmas day, when I pay another call, I'll say Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas.
Hey, kids, I bet you he's asleep now, I bet you. I feel sorry for Santa. Yeah, man. He's sure tired and worn. Ach, ja. His house looks so wacky, hacky, hola.
Im Claus, blale, blale, slade, Anton.
Da.
See, he helped everyone at Christmas, but no one they think of Santa Claus. Well, we could do something for Santa if we only just tidied his house.
Santa! Ja, danke.
Sweet. Come on, kids. Let's pitch in. 'Cause we want to do something for Santa. We want to make a real big fuss. We want to do something for Santa. 'Cause he's always doing something for us. I'll polish pans at a rusted. Give everyone shiny face. I'll see all the furniture dusted and things in proper place.
I'll scrub the floor all clean and neat. No spot will pass my eye.
I'll shine his shoes with a boogie beat, and here's the reason why. Oh, we know we owe much to Santa for making every Christmas day. We want to do something for Santa in our little way. Thank him for the happiness that came our way.
Enjoyed the video? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next adventure. Your support means the world to us. Thank you.
What's that?
Merry Christmas, Santa!
A Christmas present? For me?